Hubby is cleaning his van. Wanted to let you guys know that I do have a link to the Bissell Little Green Upholstery Cleaner if you guys are interested. So I do have before and after pictures because, like I said, this is the first time that we're using the Bissell Upholstery Cleaner. You guys, my husband does hardwood floors, and these seats definitely needed some TLC, and we didn't want to go to a cleaner or upholstery guy. So that's why we purchased this, and so far, we are enjoying it. So Calin is definitely doing a good job of cleaning. Stay tuned for the before and after pictures at the end of the video. So my husband is using this little Bissell Little Green. Look at that water over there. That's so nasty. But the seat, you guys, the seat came out so nice. Now this is glue over here because he does hardwood floor. So yes, we need something a little bit more specific on that. But I mean, the seat compared to how that one looks, yeah. So check this out. My husband put his little sticker. So he's Calin's Custom Flooring. If you guys want to see more of like what he does, go check out his Instagram, Calin's Custom Flooring. You can see everything he does. Vinyl, laminate, engineered, so on and so forth. He wants to make sure his van is nice and pretty.
Ça va bien?
Mm-hmm. So hubby's using the Thieves Dish Soap to remove the glue, you guys, and it's coming out. So if you guys have seen my previous videos, you know I talk a lot about the Thieves line from Young Living. I only use Thieves for my house. I love to clean with it. It smells amazing. But you guys, I forgot about the dish soap. It is a degreaser, but when I saw how well it took out the glue, yeah, I just found another use for it. I will have a link in the description below just for the dish soap, but also for a bundle. If you guys want to get like the Thieves line, highly recommend you get this bundle. It is cheaper to get it this way. Let me know if you guys have any questions. And yeah, let's get back to cleaning. So, what do you think, honey?
It's good.
These are like brand new seats. And just from Thieves Dish Soap.
Don't make it dirty.
Don't make it dirty? That's your tip? No, we still have to clean. He wants to detail everything himself. So, yeah, that little machine, thumbs up. So that little thing cleaned up those stains, you guys. So we still have some to go, but compared to how it was, yeah. Good job.